Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stumps to Watch. I've been away for a while. Busy in real life. Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stumps to Watch. So I've been away for a while, just chilling out a little, out of doing videos. Just sometimes you just need a break sometimes, I guess. But still is the love of the hobby continues, and of course we have another unboxing. So this is another cool stuff that I just bought just recently. So we'll see what it is. I bought a few things and I just forgot what they all are. This is one of them, so I hope you like this one too. So I only buy interesting stuff, so I hope this is interesting enough to all of you. Here you go. What's this one? Don't forget to give me a second life. Okay. It's a note to reuse the plastic. Of course, we will use the plastics, but so that it wouldn't be a waste. It's just hard to open. I don't think I will be able to use this one. Let's see. Don't forget to give me a second life. Sorry, I think I ruined it. I think. Yeah. Anyway, so we'll see what these ones are. Bought it for just a bargain. Didn't cost much. And yeah, you can see. Let's open this one first. So, what are these ones? United States bicentennial coin sets. Wow. Here you go. These are uncirculated. I think we got $quarter, $half, and $1. Can I? Oh, okay. Here we go. See, $quarter. It's a commemorative coin, I think. Yes. Here we go. Let's see it properly. 1976 bicentennial. It's a nice one. And this is need to see the mint mark. It's a D, so it's from the Denver Mint. It is a D, I think. Mind you, I'm wearing my reading glasses already, but still this is very hard to read. And this one is $half. 200 years of freedom, E pluribus unum, and Independence Day Hall. And of course, we can see here one of the, I think, in my opinion, he's one of the greatest president of the United States of America. It's just sad that this life ended way too soon. So here we go, JFK. Alright, just put it like this. Alright, and yeah, there we go. And this one is the Freedom Bell. Is it Pluribus Unum, $1? I think it is the moon, the bell, and of course, here we go. Liberty. Yes, it is from the Denver Mint. It's a nice one, uncirculated, I think. Nice one. Here you go, my centennial coin. And this one, the 1998 uncirculated coin set from the United States Mint. It's just too bad the envelope is broken. Nevertheless, circulated coin set, 1998. Here we go. And this is it. These two. $1998, you can see here. See, uncirculated. Why did I bought this one? Well, see, I see this first time I have this says uncirculated and Denver. It's like a mint mark coin or something. Treasury. This is why I bought this one. It's because of this. I haven't seen this one. I thought it's something special. And so this one is from the Denver Mint. As you can see here, the portrait of JFK. And this one is from the Philadelphia Mint. Nice one. This one have a tone. It's a different tone. I don't know why. Looks nice. Of course, JFK. And yeah, the tone here is different. This coin, 5 cents. And yeah, this one. Yeah, it intrigues me. That's why I bought this one. They have a P and they have a D, so Denver Mint and Philadelphia Mint. And this one also intrigues me. Here we go. I don't know who this one is. If you know who's this one, yeah, just put it on the comment. Who's this one? Is it Lyndon Johnson? The forehead looks like Lyndon Johnson. So here we go. It says President. Oh, 36 President of the United States of America. So who's that? 36. Is it Lyndon Johnson? I'm not sure. But the forehead looks like it's Lyndon Johnson. So nice. So here's what we have today. Yeah, it's a full addition to a collection. So here we go. Big a little bit. So please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on notification settings. See my playlist and see more videos of coins and stamps. And I see here like to Mark from Charles. the envelope. Right. Thank you. I hope you all have a good day.